What's up, everyone? We're here at round 5 at High Point MX. Track's looking really good. The weather's holding off for us so far. Track kind of reminds me of Ironman, and that was a good day for me at Ironman. I went 1-1 there. 3 points down now, heading into this race. So we're in the ballpark, and looking at the track, it looks like I could potentially have another 1-1 finish here if everything goes right. There's some weather looking like it's going to come in around 2:30. But if we get one moto in the dry and one in the wet, I mean, we're prepared for both. So either way, we're going to have fun and try to stay on the podium and stay consistent, do what we can, and have a safe race.
Say I'm sorry a half a million times. Wish I could erase the fact I am not a perfect man. It sounds like such a capital idea.
I'm just super stoked to be up here again. The first moto was going really good for me, and I kind of threw it away there with 3 laps to go. I stalled a bike in a corner leading the race, and making the passes on Chad and going to the front and staying there for most of the race was awesome, and feels really good. And just trying to take that and go to the next race. But the second moto didn't go as planned. I came in the first corner and I thought I had the whole shot, but Chad snuck under me and ended up grabbing it from me. And then me and Joel battled there for a lap or two, and then I kind of just settled in my pace and struggled with arm pump a little bit. But it's nothing to be ashamed of. I'm up here on the podium and really looking forward to the next race. And I've always done good at Muddy Creek, so it's just a stepping stone, and hopefully get a better position there.
Great racing in Moto 2 as well as Moto 1. Moto 1 actually got the whole shot. Had a pretty bad mistake that cost me to stall my bike. Kind of hurt my shoulder a little bit, but regrouped, got back going, and caught back up to second. So actually ended up being a great race for me. Epic battles through the whole pack. It was insane. One of the hardest races I've raced all year. Then Moto 2 came out. Decent start. I think I was in third or fourth. And just put my head down and charged hard, got around Jeffrey, got around Tremelin. I was with Chad the whole race. 3 laps to go, I made a pass on him after he made a little mistake, went on the inside of him, and then was just game over after that. I put the hammer down and finished off with like a 2-second lead or something, but it's just a great day for me to win at the hometown, and from what could have happened to what did happen, it was really great. So I'm happy to be on top spot again, and you know, we're still 3 points down, but we got another good track, Muddy Creek, coming up next, and we're ready for it. So we'll see you there. Thank you.